name is 𝗕𝗲𝗵𝗶. I am a civil engineer. Been part of infrastructure setup over last 3 decades. Currently managing the projects for Global Tech Park, and we do large IT parks in and around Bangalore, and also we have done facilities in Coimbatore as well. So well, I have exposure of setting up infrastructure across India in last 3 decades. I think this is something which we internally discussed and evaluated along with the consultants, and when we explored what all the other options available, we found Sintex to be more meeting our standards and requirement, and also the time and the reliability. So that's one thing which we gave us a confidence to go ahead with Sintex, and I'm happy that decision was right, and the team installed the tank in time, and it was a facility which was operational, and we have to make sure that this is to be done within stipulated time with less impact to the business. So I think that way the Sintex was there for us, and the trust we had in Sintex, we felt it was comfortable for us to commit to any clients when we have partners like this. I think there are 2 or 3 parameters I would say. One is definitely the durability of these tanks when compared to our conventional way of doing in RCC and all, and ease of operation and execution, and in overall cost also, in terms of the project cost, I think this was fitting in within the overall cost. So that way it is more simplistic and ease of execution, and more than anything the timeline, because when we can install large tanks with less time, it gives that much more flexibility for project managers to commit on deadlines, so that was one of the major reasons for us. I think we did had experience with previous companies as well in this area. Some of the after service reliability was one of the biggest challenge. Wherever we encountered some challenges, we did had some issues related to the durability of that. Now these are 2 reasons when we looked out for replacement or a new additional tank. I think we did inquire in the market about Sintex, and we have that's how we made a decision to go ahead with Sintex, and I'm pretty confident that this tank will be there for a longer duration than what is being committed by Sintex. We also, like anybody else, had a hesitation, how is this compared to our regular conventional RCC tanks. But when we saw people installing and the way it was delivered and executed and the way it is functioning now, I think I mean it really gives me a more confident to endorse and say I think it is a product worth exploring, and people should look at before they make any decision on going with RCC, a regular conventional tank, wherever there is an opportunity to go for modular tanks. We do actually do water tests regularly when we collect samples, whenever we store waters. So we feel it's the quality of these tanks when we store water, it stands out. There is absolutely no impact of any algae or any of those stuff. So you can be sure of those parameters as well. So when we look at all those stuff, I think we feel confident that this tank serves our purpose.
Sintex पानी अपना साफ सेफ सही